Hello to everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Mirah Fathimah. So for today guys, I will teach you how to cook BIKO. BIKO is a Filipino term of a sweet sticky rice cake. It consists three mainly ingredients. Tatlo lamang po yung ingredients natin. Number 1, we have glutinous rice, in Tagalog malagkit. Number 2, we have coconut milk, in Tagalog gata ng nyog. Number 3, we have jaggery, in Tagalog panutsa. But you can also buy in the supermarket brown sugar, white sugar, and the canned coconut milk. It's okay, you can use it. May nabibili po sa palengke, it's okay. Pwede po kayong bumili doon. But for me, I just use in traditional way, yung pagpiga ng gata ng nyog, yung noon-noon pa na recipe, yun yung ginamit ko. So, let's start. Let's begin how to cook BIKO. And before that, shout out nga po pala kay Kuya Sithness. Ayan, ang ating komentarista of the day. Hi po Kuya Sithness. Ayan, thank you po sa pag-subscribe at sa pag-comment. Ayan, thank you so much sa pag-appreciate kahit na hindi ko alam kung may silbing ba itong pinagdadaldal ko dito. Thank you so much sa mga ibang nag-subscribe po. Thank you so much. A big thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. And sa mga kagaya ko pong OFW dyan, kabayan, subscribe ka naman. Thank you so much. In Hindi, well, galing po kasi ako ng Abu Dhabi, UAE. So, in Hindi, Namaste, कैसा है? जल्दी सब्सक्राइब करो my YouTube channel, शुक्रिया. In Arabic, مرحبا, يلا تعال حبيبي مشرور الاشتراك my YouTube channel, shukran. In Malayalam, nakalimutan ko natin. In Malayalam, sahodran, chetan, cheche, prashnamila, subscribe my YouTube channel, Nani. So, let's start. Umpisahan na po natin ang paggawa ng BIKO. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell button. See you!